we are supporting this declaration, set of demands, future program. Already, Comrade Annandi, Comrade Tapanda told about purpose of this convention, etc. Few days ago, I watched once again Lagan film. The spirit of Lagan film, all are knows. At the time of British rule, Britishers, they increased land tax. They condition, if you will own cricket, we cancel land tax. Otherwise, you pay third time. Britishers thought they are innocents, they are poor, they are rurals. But that innocents, they were learn cricket, they defeat Britishers. Now, Kisan, agriculture workers, trade unions, we will learn and we will defeat BJP. This purpose we are conducting this convention. This is the most important thing. What is the problem of rural India? Rural India means nowadays 65% of our rural Indian population depending on agriculture. Very miserable conditions. Recently, central government, National Crime Bureau of Investigation, they released their report. Most alarming things is there, so many things is there. But I will tell one important issue. In Crime Bureau, they told 2021 in India committed suicides 1,64,033. In past, we have discussing about farmer suicides. But one alarming thing, out of this suicides, farmers 5,318, agricultural workers especially 5,563. What is the indication? What is the situation? Why? This is the first time in India. Many years ago, farmers or rural, so many have committed suicides. This is the first time. That is the more than farmers, agricultural workers committed suicides. This is the Amrit Mahotsav. This is the Narendra Modi policy, is the impact of our rural India. This is the situation. We are facing many problems. Lack of time. I will explain major important things. First one is, rural India means agricultural workers, tenants, rural workers, etc. Not only rural workers and caste, they belong to Dalits, Adivasi, OBC people also. What is our main problems? Firstly, employment. During this time, every day, constantly, regularly, the decreasing rural employment. Why? Because of, one is the mechanization, second is the change cap pattern, third one is the one important thing, in BJP government do not allow rural development activity. That is the main problem in rural India. We are demanding MNREGA. At the time of UPA, the support of left parties, that time union budget given more than 4% of union budget. BJP government, the first year they allotted 2%. Now recently union budget, they decreased 1.7%. This is the situation in rural employment. That is the one major problem, employment. Second one, food security. Comrade Tapan told, in India, more than 23 crores, more than 90 crores people depending on our public distribution. What is the BJP thinking? One good thing, but what is the situation? What is the distribution of BJP government? In many states at the COVID time, after COVID, now we enough 3 crores in FCI staff, but we cross now 6 crores, sometimes 7 crores, but BJP do not allow additional rights to distribute the poor. That is the problem. Now BJP thinking, they consult some department, one nation, one ration card. That is the their thinking. India is not a one nation, but public distribution system also, like Kerala, in only one Kerala, through public distribution system, 14 items distributed allowed the people. Some states like Telangana, or Andhra, or Karnataka, or Tamil Nadu, or some like Delhi, they are distributing so many items free of cost, or 1 rupee cost, or 2 rupees. What about Rajasthan? What about Maharashtra? What about Gujarat? What about Uttar Pradesh? What about Haryana? You covered only 30%, but Kerala covered more than 80%. That is the difference between BJP and left right. But they are trying to, they introduce one nation, one ration card means they don't allow free rice for South states. They don't allow 14 items to Kerala. Narendra Modi is thinking control public distribution system. This is the second problem. In third problem, land issue, outside issue. Everyone respectable life means at least own house. What is our India after 75 years? Lakhs of lakhs, crores of crores, rural poor, urban poor, now the homeless. This is our situation. In our survey, nearly 10 to 15 crores of Indian people, they are waiting for home. What is the BJP? They do not give houses, they do not give land, they do not accept land to teller. That is the main problem. In that section, this convention also, we demand every family, that is the respectable life is the important. So outside is important. And another thing, land. We fight. Our forefather in the national movement or communist movement, we demand the land to distribution. What is the BJP? What is the attitude? Now name of development. Many states, especially central government, land pooling, land banks. They are starting land banks in all over India. Means the reverse land reforms is our situation. Reverse land reforms means they collecting and develop on the name of development. They distribute the land to corporates. Now in India, who is the big farmer? Now in India, big farmer, Ambani is the big farmer now in India because of BJP given lakhs of land to Ambani and Adani. Recently, BJP government they amended Forest Conservative Act. What is that means? Our constitution, our preamble, one of our preamble act of our constitution. In our constitution, 5th schedule, 6th schedule, they tell so many exemptions, so many rights in Adivasi, so many rights given to forest areas. But BJP amended, they proposed, they decided the corporate conservative, that forest conservative means forest lands also given without consultation, without prior permission to that agency area. Means forest, not only forest, our resources, our main resources means mining, coal, irrigation project, all are belong, the concentrated in forest area. Now BJP thinking these lands will convert to Adani. They are the thinking. That purpose, they modified the Forest Conservative Act. This is also there. And finally, in agriculture workers, rural poor, we are facing untouchability. Major the untouchability. In previous governments also, they implemented untouchability. But now the new situation, our state government, central government, they are the supporting upper layer. They are supporting who was the atrocity. That is the main problem. What is in Atras? What is in Madhya Pradesh? What is in Haryana? Every day atrocities on Dalits, Adivas and women. That is the problem. So, we in our agricultural workers union, in this situation, generally we demand employment for all. That is our prime demand. Health for all, education for all, house for all, land for all, equality for all. This is our national movement demands, not only now. So this is our demands. And comrades, 2-3 things I will mention. Previous governments also, that is the rich government, that is the corporate governments or bourgeois governments, etc. Now this BJP also, but the BJP, one danger is there. That is the main concentration. BJP thinking, trying division between our classes. That is the most important thing. Their division with agriculture worker, their division with scheme worker, their division with farmers. But our struggle, BJP trying to between division, but our concentration, unify our classes. That is the most important. Tawana India. They are trying to, on the name of caste, they are social engineering in every north state. Every day, BJP creating social problems, BJP creating sub-caste division, main caste division, whatever, they divide our working class. So this juncture, our target is unify our classes, unify our working class. Now, some discussion, Modi or BJP or some state government like BJP government, they are talking about free base. Means agricultural workers beggars, farmers beggars, or workers beggars. We are not a beggars. We are the producers of India. That is the main important. We are not a beggars. So this situation, our agricultural workers union, for past 10-15 years, we are joining United Actions. We are continuing our independent act. In future also, our agricultural workers union, we must concentrating United Actions. We will mobilize our people. Finally, the situation is changed. The situation now, some favorable are working class. In many experiences there. What is the experience in the steel plant? Visakhapatnam, Andhra state, BJP decided private to steel plant. Steel plant means once upon a time, Andhra Hakku steel plant. But the movement going on, many participated that meeting. Why? Because of that unity. Not only the trade unions, Orapu, Dalits, Adivasi, they are supporting that movement. What is the land struggles in Telangana, Andhra or Tamil Nadu or Karnataka or Maharashtra or Gujarat or Rajasthan? The experience, our unity will achieve the lands also. Recently, one experience I will tell in Telangana. The Telangana government, they refused outside, but on the banner of red, thousands agriculture workers, scheme workers, trade unions, Kisans of Andhra Masarne, they will go, they occupied nearly 20,000 acres to build the Telangana. That is the experience. So, in these things, I appeal to all. We will unity. We struggle on our demands. We will gather we will go to rural. We will go to urban. We will mobilize all things. We will. I hope we must unity. We will BJP. We will Narendra Modi. We will our class. We defeat corporate policies. We defeat Hindutva. We defeat Narendra Modi. Finally, ultimately, our working class will won our demands. These things, I support this declaration and future program and start of demand. Thank you, comrades.